Simple ways small-scale farmers can start smart farming. What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars, expensive machines, or a giant farm to start farming smarter? Many small-scale farmers believe smart farming is only for large commercial farms. But that's simply not true. Today, I'll show you simple and affordable ways small-scale farmers can start using smart farming techniques to save time, reduce costs, improve productivity, and increase profits, whether you raise crops, livestock, or both. These practical tips can help you work smarter, not harder. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll share one smart farming habit that can completely change how you manage your farm. Let's get started. What is smart farming? When people hear smart farming, they often think of robots, drones, and expensive technology. But smart farming simply means using information, technology, and better management practices to make better farming decisions. It's about knowing what your farm needs, tracking performance, reducing waste, improving efficiency. Smart farming can be as simple as using your smartphone to record expenses or monitor weather forecasts before planting. The goal isn't to make farming more complicated. The goal is to make farming more profitable. Start with farm records. One of the easiest smart farming practices is keeping accurate records. Many farmers know how much they sell, but they don't know exactly how much they spend. Start tracking feed costs, seeds, fertilizers, veterinary expenses, labor costs, fuel expenses. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, farm management app. At the end of each month, review your numbers. You may discover expenses that are eating away at your profits. Smart farmers don't guess. Smart farmers measure. And what gets measured gets managed. U.S. weather apps. Weather has always affected farming, but today farmers have an advantage previous generation never had. Weather apps can provide rain forecasts, temperature predictions, storm alerts, wind conditions. Before planting, spraying crops, or harvesting, check the forecast. This simple habit can help prevent costly mistakes. A 5-minute weather check could save hundreds of dollars in wasted inputs. Monitor livestock with simple tools. If you raise livestock, smart farming doesn't have to be expensive. Start by tracking weight gain, feed consumption, health records, breeding dates, vaccination schedules. Many farmers now use free or low-cost mobile apps for record keeping. You can also use ear tags, digital scales, smartphone reminders. Small improvements in livestock management often lead to better growth rates, lower mortality, higher profits. Remember, you can't improve what you don't monitor. Use this. Soil testing. One of the smartest investments a farmer can make is a soil test. Many farmers apply fertilizer without knowing what nutrients their soil actually needs. That's like taking medicine without knowing what's wrong. A soil test can help you save money on fertilizer, improve crop yields, prevent nutrient deficiencies. Instead of guessing, you're making decisions based on facts. And that's exactly what smart farming is all about. Learn from farm data. Here's where many successful farmers separate themselves from the rest. They study their farm data. Ask questions like, which crops made the most profit? Which animals performed best? Which field produced the highest yield? Where did I spend too much money? Your records become a roadmap for better decisions. Every season provides valuable information. Smart farmers learn from that information and continuously improve. Start small. One of the biggest mistakes farmers make is trying to change everything at once. Don't do that. Pick one smart farming practice this week. Maybe it's keeping records, checking weather forecasts daily, tracking livestock health, conducting a soil test. Start small. Build consistency. Then expand gradually. Small improvements repeated over time create remarkable results. The future of farming doesn't belong only to large farms with huge budgets. It belongs to farmers who make smart decisions. You don't need expensive technology to begin. You just need a willingness to learn, measure, and improve. Start with simple tools. Track your progress. Learn from your results. And watch how small changes can create big improvements on your farm. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Precision Livestock Farming. For practical farming tips, livestock management strategies, and smart farming ideas that help you grow more while spending less. Comment below. What is one smart farming practice you're planning to start this month? And don't forget to share this video with another farmer who wants to farm smarter and increase profits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Farm smart. Farm precise. Farm the future.